Hi there, students. Let's do a few more fish idioms. You could fish for a compliment, okay? To go fishing for a compliment. This is typically try to get somebody to say something nice about you. Typically this is done by saying negative things about yourself. Yeah? Well, I'm not very good at this. I'm not a very good cook, but here you are. Yeah? You're fishing for a compliment. He's trying to get somebody to say something nice about you. Yeah, when he showed me his new suit and started acting like a model in it, I knew he was fishing for a compliment. Okay, there's no need to fish for a compliment. I know you're a smart, intelligent guy. Okay, I quite like this one. Fish or cut bait. Either commit yourself or step aside and stop wasting time. Yeah? Are you going to buy it? Yes or no? Fish or cut bait? Yeah? Buy it or go away. There's another version of this I quite like, which is shit or get off the pot. Yeah? Somebody else will use the toilet. Okay, so commit yourself. Yeah? Do something productive with this, or just stop wasting time. Yeah? Okay, you are responsible for this problem. Yeah, you've got to sort it out. And there are certain employees that are causing this problem. So, fish or cut bait. Sack them or forget about being manager. Yeah? Okay, yeah, you've been umming and ahhing about which one of these you're going to buy for hours. So, fish or cut bait. Yeah? Stop wasting time and make a decision. Okay, there are plenty more fish in the sea. There are plenty of other fish in the sea, plenty of fish in the sea. This very often is something that's said when a romantic relation finishes. Yeah? So come on, Alex, there are plenty of other fish in the sea. There are lots of other nice women out there who will like you. Yeah? So there are many, many other good and suitable people, things, opportunities, possibilities in the world that you can find. I'm really sorry you didn't get the job, but there are plenty of other fish in the sea. Yeah? There are lots of other choices, so don't be so depressed you didn't succeed in this one. Okay, let's try a phrasal verb with fish. To fish out. Yeah? This is to pull something out of a container or out of water, as if by fishing. You dropped your keys in the toilet. Well, I'm not going to fish them out for you. I'm not using my hand to fish your keys out of the toilet. But you could go and get a stick and see if you can use the stick to fish them out, to extract something from a place. You could also retrieve something from inside something else. He fished a dirty handkerchief out of his pocket. He fished a few coins out of his bag. Yeah, when I arrive home sometimes it takes me a time to fish my keys out of my pocket. And you can actually also use to fish out, meaning to empty something of fish. So stocks of this fish are very, very low because it's been fished out. Yeah, there is overfishing. Yeah, you're not going to catch anything here. It's been fished out. Yeah, there are very few fish left because people have been fishing a lot and they've all been caught. Okay, so to fish it out of the toilet, to fish it out of your pocket, to fish out a place, fished it out. Yeah, I think you could use it separately as well. Okay, and what's that got to do with the price of fish? This is a rhetorical question that you ask when somebody says something irrelevant, yeah, or what they say is just, it doesn't make sense. It's a complete non sequitur. I think this phrase is very, very British. Um, so if somebody starts talking or saying something that's not relevant to the conversation, you say, what's that got to do with the price of fish? You're saying it's not relevant to what we're talking about. Yeah, we're discussing local business. We're not discussing healthcare. So yeah, healthcare's an important topic, but it's not what we're discussing. What's healthcare got to do with the price of fish of about local business? Yeah, so this is being sarcastic. It's saying that's nothing to do with what we're talking about. So to fish for a compliment. 4.5 informality. To try and get somebody to say something nice. Fish or cut bait. 3.5 informality. Shit or get off the pot. 2.5 informality. Make a decision, decide, do something, commit yourself. There are plenty of other fish in the sea. 4.5 informality. There are many other possibilities, many other choices. To fish something out of the toilet, to fish something out of your pocket. 4 informality. This stretch of water is fished out, there are no fish left. 5 informality, use it anywhere. And then what's that got to do with the price of fish? I'd say 4 informality. What's that got to do with what we're talking about? So, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. So, fish for a compliment, fish or cut bait, plenty of fish in the sea, to fish out. What's that got to do with the price of fish?